Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Starting this vlog in my kitchen yet again, 2 weeks in a row. I'm not sure when this video will go up. Who knows? Maybe you'll get 3 videos this coming week. But I figured I'm home. I went to Walmart. Why not turn on the camera and show you guys what I picked up? Nothing much, just the typical grocery shopping at Walmart. I literally have not been inside Walmart at least a month. I rarely go to Walmart now. It just feels so, it's funny because Target is just as big or bigger than Walmart, but I'm okay with going to Target and just walking around for 2 hours. But when I think of Walmart, I'm just like, I don't want to go. But I figured, let me go. I needed a couple things, and Walmart is like on my way from work, which is I only live like 5 minutes away from work, but it's like on the way. So I figured let me just go ahead, stop at Walmart now, because on my days off, with this heat wave that's passing by, I'm not going outside. So I'm not sure what all I'll be vlogging about this week, because I feel like there's not much going on this week. Picked up some Frosted Flakes because, you know, I love to have it. It's not a everyday thing or every night thing for me. This can last me for months, but you just know there's every so often when you just kind of feel for something like that, especially like on an off night. Maybe I ate dinner early, maybe I didn't cook dinner, I just feel for a little bit of cereal. This is my go-to Frosted Flakes. I know it's filled with sugar, hence why I do not have this like every day. I picked up some protein pancakes. These are my favorites. Walmart is the only one I know that have the, what do you call this, thick and fluffy. They're really fat. Like I literally only eat like 2 of these. It's a great breakfast option, especially on a work day. So on a work day, I'll just grab 2, put them in a Ziploc bag, take it to work. So if you haven't tried these and you're maybe working out, trying to eat healthy, Kodiak, is that how you say it? Yeah. Kodiak has some really good protein-based stuff. The serving size is actually 1 waffle. I've been eating 2. So I probably should cut it down to 1. Quick access. My new favorite thing. Did I show it in my last vlog? I don't think I did. I don't remember if I did. But the Celsius Live Fit. I have finally found a drink that I like, and I'm also using it as a pre-workout. It is the Celsius Live Fit. It's supposed to help with essential energy, accelerates your, yeah, I did talk about this, metabolism. Burns body fat. It's a dietary supplement, 0 sugar, and it's good for, you know, like drinking it before a workout. So this has been my go-to recently with my workouts. The pack that I bought from Sam's Club had orange, kiwi guava, and something else. I don't remember what it is, but I went to Walmart and they had so many other flavors. So I decided to like almost grab 1 of each. They're $1 something each. Something is making a sound. I feel like one of these cans are maybe kind of open. So I got watermelon. I think I picked up 2 watermelon because at the end I didn't know. I figured let me just get 6. This one says Tropical Vibe Sparkling Star Fruit Pineapple Edition. So it's their Tropical Vibe. This one is Peach Mango Green Tea, which is, oh, this one is none. Oh my God. Some of them are non-carbonated. I didn't see that. So it won't have the soda acid, which I like, but we'll see. We'll try it. I just figured let me try some. Carbonated free, so I'm guessing it is carbonated. And the last one is Fuji Apple Pear, which I don't like American pear anyway, but I just want to try them. I'm trying to figure out what I like, but I love the selection that they had at Walmart. So if I love some of these, I definitely will go back or maybe check on walmart.com if I can just get a case or a mixed case or something. But the one from Sam's only had like 3 flavors. So does it have 10 calories per can. Got that. Picked up some good old pine sol. This is what I like to use to mop, multi-surface, and it's the one with the what do you call it, kills COVID and germs. So I like to use this mixed with my cleaning vinegar or regular vinegar sometimes a little bit of Dawn soap. It just depends on what mood I'm in to mop, if I'm in a deep mop or not. I wanted to get some probiotics. So I feel like I never take stuff for my stomach, like for your gut. I need a washout. If you're Jamaican, you know what that means, but I definitely need one because I feel like as much as I'm working out and staying active and drinking this and eating salads and doing all those stuff, my belly still feel puffy. It just feel like it needs a cleanse. It needs like a fat massage, just stuff like that, just to kind of loosen some things up. But anyway, I decided to give this one a try. I didn't know which one to get, and the ones that Google was recommending are pretty expensive. So I'm like, what's the harm in trying this brand? It says Her Own. I don't know what brand it is. I guess that's the brand, Her Own. Probiotic Light and Clean. This is what it looks like. It is 30 servings, 30 capsules. So 1 capsule per serving. I wanted something that was like healthy-ish. This one is vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free, no synthetic colors or preservatives. Supposed to help with digestion, immune function, skin, balance, all the above. So I'm gonna try this for the next 30 days, add it to my daily vitamins. I don't know how they recommend, if it's better to take in the morning or at night. I'm like going from cleaning grocery, but I picked up some more glass cleaner spray. I used to have one of these and I don't know where I put it, but this cleans way better than your regular, what is it called? Glass spray liquid cleaner. So I just went ahead and picked up another one. Picked up some Clorox. I've been wanting to try these Clorox tablets for the toilet bowl, just to try it out. Picked up some more oval pads just to wipe your face whenever you're either cleaning your face with micellar water. I like to use it to make sure my makeup is all taken off, with your toner, all the above. So I bought one of these a couple weeks ago and I don't know what I did with it. I don't know if I threw it out by accident. I've been searching the house, I can't find it, so I just picked these up. These are the bigger ones, so I like to use these. And I picked up 2 immunity shots. One is the elderberry shot with zinc and probiotics, and this one is immunity shot with turmeric and probiotics. These are good till November, but I'll probably take one like first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. So if you haven't tried these immunity shots, these are really nice whenever you feel like you just need a quick boost of whatever you want, whether it's vitamin C, ginger shot. They have a bunch of them, but these are like $1 or $2 each. Yeah, I think it was 2 something each. So yeah, definitely trying those. I told you guys last time that I wanted to put my recipe sheets from the Home Chef in a binder. So I went to Walmart, I picked up a cheap binder. I'll be putting that together. I also got some inserts just because in case I have like a regular recipe on a regular piece of paper that I just wanna protect. Picked up some more Alka-Seltzer, heartburn. I like these whenever like I eat something that's not settling really good on my stomach, especially before bed. I'll just chew on, I think 2, or you can do 1. I like to just chew on these. I don't know if you guys care about stuff like that, but yeah, pick that up. New deodorant. These are the deodorants that I like. I go between these and my natural deodorant, but you know it's hot. It's 100 and some degrees. Gotta have some real antiperspirant. I picked up some fresh. I picked up some mouthwash. I've been wanting to try this mouthwash I've been wanting to try this mouthwash for like months, literally months, because I see everybody use it. But I wanted to finish the big bottle that I had, so I'm finally done. And on this Terra Breath Periodontist formulated healthy gums oral rinse, fights gingivitis for 24 hours. Just your regular mouthwash, but this is the fancy one. Nobody's using the traditional anymore. So I figured let me pick that up and try it. I picked up a new toner and I hope to God it is a spray toner because that's what I wanted. Sometimes I'm lazy to tone my face. So having a spray toner that I can just spray and go, yeah, definitely. So this is by e.l.f. Hey, I think that's my cue to wrap this up because homeboy over there decided he want to play. I also picked up these little gum brush to help go between. I have really tight like teeth, so yeah, I picked up these, supposed to go between your teeth, help you, you know, clean between. I'm always getting complaints from my dentist that I don't floss enough, so I'm gonna be trying these out. And last but not least, so I can wrap this up, I picked up this Cerave facial moisturizer lotion with SPF. I'm done with all my SPFs are completely done, minus that little balm one that I had. But I figured let me just try this out. Cerave, can't go wrong. Cerave, you can't go wrong with that. So this is the one I picked up, and I'm gonna try this out. It feels small, but it's okay. Just something to try out real quick. It's not bad, especially going into the fall. I need like something extra moisturizing. So yeah, I'm gonna give that a try. And that's my little mini haul. Yeah, just gonna put this stuff away, get settled, relax, and I'll check back in with you guys as the week goes on. Hey guys, I don't think I talked to you today. It is, what is this? Thursday. Yeah. Today's Thursday. I'm still vlogging on my phone, by the way, so forgive me if the quality is still not up to par, which I cannot wait to get my vlogging camera back. Yeah. Ooh, I forgot about this. I have this Home Beauty. Is it Home Beauty? Yeah. Lip gloss. I forgot this is in this fanny pack. So let's pop this on. Nice nude. Definitely need to keep one of my lip liners in these bags as well. But yeah, all right, so today's Thursday. I went to the dentist, got my teeth cleaned. Then I went to this little coffee shop that I saw on Instagram. I wanted to check them out. They have 2 locations, so I came to the one over here in Anderson, Nevada. Anderson. So I'm in Anderson today. Whenever I come to like Anderson, I like to just spend the full day here because, you know, it's on this side of town. What do you call this? South side? I think you call it South Vegas. It's close to the airport, so for those of you that don't know. So I like to just spend the day in Vegas I like to just spend the day in Anderson, and it's been a while since I've came to Anderson and spent a full day. So quick plan, it is 2:30. My goal is to be done by 4:35, all together headed back home. So we're going to at home. Probably I'll show a little clip of me going in and whatever, but I think I want to put, if I find any decorative pieces for fall, I'm gonna put it in a separate video. So hopefully, I'm not looking for much because I know I have a decent amount of decoration home, but I'm trying to get away from the orange. I'm kind of so sick of the orange bright pumpkin. So I've been buying 1 and 2 neutral things last year. I think I have a couple like white pumpkins, but I want to see what they have because I think last year when I came, they were already done with all the fall stuff. So I'm earlier this year. I would have came already, but been busy. So, and then I'm running to Burlington again just to see what they have, and because I'm on this side, and I also want to check out this thrift store that is on this side, because I've never really been good at or gone thrifting, but I think fall is like the perfect time to go thrifting because I'm looking for blazers, cardigans, what is it, cardigan? What the other thing called? Shackets. But those are the main thing. If I can find one blazer, one jacket, you know, like a plaid shirt or whatever that you can wear during the fall, that's enough for me. So I'll go in and see what they have, see what it looks like in that store, and then as I come to Vegas over the next month or so, I'll stop at maybe one thrift store every time till I find a couple pieces that I can add to my closet. Because I feel like for my fall closet, that's the one thing I'm missing is, or two things I'm missing is shackets. I have 0 shackets, and nice plaid shirts. I haven't had any nice ones in a while. I think I've worn one of Mike's button-up plaid shirts last season. And then blazers, 0 blazers. I used to have like little jackets that you wear to church, but I'm like, I need at least 1 or 2 blazers in my closet. So that's the goal for the thrift store, Burlington. And then at home, it's next to Trader Joe's, but I kind of want to when do I come back for my nails? Another week or two I come back for my nails probably. I'll go to Trader Joe's then and do a Trader Joe's haul for TikTok or Instagram. I'm hoping to do 30 days of reels. I'm taking it easy. Small videos, 30 days. I'm not gonna do Vlogtober on YouTube because I feel like I cannot commit to that. So let me practice with reels, and then I can do Vlogmas instead for YouTube. So let's see how that